Alright, so we're going to do section 4. Section 4 asks us to now use long division. I'm going to be doing number 18 and number 20. Alright, so let's start with number 18. So we have negative 46 plus 4x cubed minus 20x plus 3x squared divided by x squared minus 5. Now guys, when we're doing long division, it is very important to put your exponents in decreasing order. So the biggest number is cubed, so 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 20x minus 46, and I divide this by x squared minus 5. Alright, so first things first. X squared times what gives me 4x cubed? So I'm missing a 4 and an x. So 4x times x squared is 4x cubed. 4x times negative 5 is negative 20x. And I'm going to put it here because it lines up with the x's. So draw a line, right? Change your sign. This becomes negative. This becomes positive. He cancels. I'm going to bring down everything else. 3x squared. This guy also cancels. And then bring down my negative 46. So then I ask myself, x squared times what gives me 3x squared? Positive 3. That's what I'm missing. Now multiply. 3a times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 5 is negative 15. Draw the line, change the sign. Alright, so then I have negative 46 plus 15. That gives me negative 31. This is now my remainder. So do you guys see here, x squared cannot go into negative 31. So it's always answer plus my remainder over my denominator. So my answer is 4x plus 3 plus my remainder, which is negative 31, over what I divided it by, x squared minus 5. Now if we were doing it in rational form, I would flip and flop it so I could see the transformations better, but here we're just trying to do long division, right? I would flip it this way, but I don't need to right now because we're just doing long division. So you can go ahead and leave your answer like that. That's okay. Alright, so let's now do number 20. So number 20 says I have 4x cubed plus x to the 4th minus x minus 4 divided by x squared minus 1. Same thing. I'm going to put it in biggest power. So x to the 4th plus 4x cubed minus x minus 4 divided by x squared minus 1. Alright, so x squared times what gives me x to the 4th? So this will be x squared. So x squared times x squared gives me x to the 4th. And x squared times 1, or negative 1, gives me negative x squared. I'm just going to write it right there. Draw the line, change the signs. This is negative, this is positive. This guy cancels. Okay, so do you see here, you cannot smush these, right? You can't combine like terms because this is x squared and this is x cubed. So I'm just going to bring everything down. Just like that. Everything comes down. You can't smush anything. Alright, so now I'm going to ask myself, x squared times what is 4x cubed? I'm missing a 4 and an x. So now I'm going to multiply. 4x times x squared is 4x cubed. 4x times negative 1 is negative 4x. Draw the line, change the sign. These guys cancel, bring everything down. So x squared comes down. 4x minus x is 3x minus 4. Alright, can x squared still go into x squared? And the answer is yes. If I multiply this guy by 1, you get x squared. So x squared times 1 is x squared. Now I'm going to multiply. Same process again that I've been doing. 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Draw the line. Change the sign. This guy cancels. Bring this down so you get 3x. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Now, can x squared go into 3x? No, this is bigger. So this is your remainder. So I write my answer as answer plus remainder over denominator. So answer is x squared plus 4x plus 1 plus your remainder, which is 3x minus 3 over your denominator, x squared minus 1. That is your final answer. Let me scooch over a little bit so you can see it.